if you get a pendant light and it has these little plastic loops for adjusting the cord that dangles down from the top of the light, this is the correct way to string the wire to secure it in place so that it doesn't unravel. This helps just give it a little more security than just the nut alone. So I just wanted to share this with everybody. Obviously, there's going to be a screw in most cases to kind of hold that light in place, but usually those aren't very strong because otherwise they would penetrate the cord. This one with these little plastic clips, sometimes they come in the set of the light that you get, but they don't show you how to use it with the diagrams. Often with these coming from China, some of the diagrams can be bad, and I've seen lights where they've come with just the clips alone, not in place like this one is. So I thought that would be helpful just to see how to properly use this kind of clip. Hey, if this video helped you, the best way to thank me is to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.